Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another new feature in the Canva. I know it's really annoying when you find a perfect font for your designs and would like to use it next time and you forgot the proper name or forgot the name totally and do not really remember and spend hours and hours to find it again, or you have to open the previous design again and check the name and copy the name. That's could be annoying. And now the Canva announced a new feature called star fonts, which is really help us to find easier the fonts what we like. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. Sorry. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, if I just click on the text, go into the fonts, as you can already see, I have already started fonts, and of course I can use them easily. How can I get these start fonts? If you're just scrolling down to any fonts what you like, as you can see, there is a 3 dots. Click on it and start fonts. You can see this small star icon just appears next to the font, and of course we can unstar, but I don't want to unstar this font. As you can see, already have it here, and just have on sorry, again. So I have only three start fonts here, and if I have more than 3, we have to go to the see all, and here we can find all the fonts what we start. That's pretty nice and pretty easygoing feature. I really like it. This is really helps us a lot to find the fonts what we used it before. And also here you can see document font, so you can find immediately the font of the document actually when was opened, but of course now it's already changed. So it's this is the initial font type what was used in a document. This is also a pretty nice feature, but this is a really important one because in this case you find a pretty good, pretty nice font type what you like. You just start it and you already have it on the top, all of these start fonts. So it's thanks Canva. That's really helpful. I really loved it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you will like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm. And second of all, if you're struggling anything in Canva, please let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit the description where you can find our links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in the Facebook. Of course, the Instagram and TikTok, you can find short tutorials about Canva. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.